visit in Australia. I know, my third visit. When my third visit in Australia, after the surgery, I have the surgery in my forehead. So I go back there, and this guy, like before this happened, that this guy told me that come back to the city. Where are you? Whole city is looking for you. It's like I said, why they're looking at me? I'm not the mayor of the city, you know? I'm not the mayor of the city. So when he told me that kind of words, I know that's something going on. It's because when I'm in the city, I cannot work. I cannot work. And they do mirroring on my phone. They do the mirroring on my phone. They're taking some of my client is like, and then most I lost some of my friends. I lost some of my friends that I cannot really trust. Like this kind of situation that you cannot trust anybody, and they will tell you that you're getting crazy, blah blah blah, like that. But you know to yourself that there's a wrong, and there's something going on. Yeah, like that. And that time I feel stressed. I felt alone. No one is with me. You can do it, girl. No one is with me, and they are like, I'm surviving, literally surviving. It's because I have some dreams. I have some family is waiting for me. Like, I want to give to my family a good life, a better life. It's because I'm the breadwinner of my family. And that's why I need to fight. But how I can fight if they are many? They are they are too much. There are many, and I am alone. I don't know. Maybe I'm a backup. Maybe I have a backup dancer or backup thing, but I'm literally alone. I cannot see anybody. Like, I can hear noises. I don't see any effort at all. You know, and that's my silent battle. And they will told you that you're getting crazy. It's because you're under with drugs or something. No, it's not. I'm confident with that one, and I don't want to feel shy about it. I can feel, maybe sometimes I am wrong, sometimes I am right. I don't say that I am right perfectly. It's because I'm just a human. I'm just a human. Nobody's perfect with that. So when I'm there, I'm fighting for my dreams. I'm fighting to get some client. And I thought to myself, maybe it's not for me anymore. It's because I am ugly. I'm not beautiful enough. I am stupid. It's like, and it's because for me, I'm very advantaged. I don't want to wait in the corner, and I will wait for something will happen to me, you know? And then I will just make the story short, guys, what is happening last time. And then this person messaged me, like he wants to meet me. Then he in his message, And his message, he messaged that don't believe on other message is because someone is using my WhatsApp. Someone is using my WhatsApp. Someone is like double ganger. Double ganger is not like, yeah, double ganger to his WhatsApp, pirating his WhatsApp, asking for $20 like that, you know? It's like for me it's called hack. Someone hacked his WhatsApp. Someone is really using his WhatsApp. And I have that message. This is not a fake story, guys. This is not a fake story. This is a real story. And I'm living with my friends that time. Like I'm in the other room and they're in the other room. And they, sometimes they will tell to me that you look like a celebrity. You look like a celebrity. It's like, and they really know that I'm dancing alone in my room. I'm singing alone in my room, and they really know what's really happening. And I think like they can see me. It's like, what, you? How come you know everything? How come these girls know what I'm doing? What, you know? And there's a one time they bring me to the church. They bring me to the church. It's because maybe I'm getting crazy or talking shit or talking like that. I said, no, I'm not talking nonsense here. It's like something really going on, something wrong. What's really wrong? But they don't want to tell me, they really don't want to tell me what's really going on. It's like, what is this? I'm battling. I'm fighting for who I'm fighting for. Like, I'm fighting for myself. No, someone put me in the situation that I really don't know. Someone put me in the situation that the world's against me. Like no one really literally telling me what is that one. That they cannot really tell me what's really going on. You know And when he messaged me that, I know that, ah, I knew it. I really knew it. That something wrong. But he cannot really tell me. I don't know why he cannot really tell me. Why people cannot tell me what's happening? A new world, a new thing, what? Then after that, I went to concert of Katy Perry. Katy Perry concert. I went there. It's like I'm getting crazy, guys. I stay in Criterion Hotel. Then after jump to another hotel is because I really want to work, but I cannot really work. I cannot really find some fish in the, but it's a lot of fish in the ocean. But I don't. It's because I know my capacity, I know my capability, I know how to work. I know how to work. And I believe in myself is because, but it makes me crazy. It makes me crazy. It's like they make me crazy. But thanks God, they they not they cannot, like, they didn't even win what they really want. They really want, I don't know what they really want to me. I don't know what they really want from me. And I think they want me to get crazy, but I cannot get crazy. It's because I'm a Bisaya. I'm a Bisaya cat. I'm a Bisaya cat. So So, anyways, guys, so yeah, I go to. It's really hard, that you're battling with a silent battle. You're fighting with a silent battle. It's really hard. You felt alone. You felt nobody with you. Nobody is there for you. It's really hard. It's like the intuition thing that you need to follow your intuition. Then when I watched the Katy Perry concert, that was my first international celebrity that I watch. It's my first time to watch a concert, and indeed, it's an international singer, Katy Perry. And that time is like I'm really really happy that time. I'm really happy that time, even though I don't have a card on me. I really don't have a card. I just have a cash, but I said because maybe I misplaced my card, or maybe I I really don't know. I misplaced it before I need to, because I really don't have a ticket. But for me, but it's like last moment. I need to go. I need to watch. And when I said to myself that I tell to my friend that, auntie, can you please book me a Uber to reach to arena so that I can watch the concert. So she booked me a ticket. She booked me a Uber. Then after that, it's like, I'm a fighter. I'm really a fighter. Like what I want, I really want to get it. Even though when I go to the concert, I don't have a card, but I don't have even a ticket. But for me, I said to myself that, okay, I will buy a ticket in the counter. Then after that, what happened is like, I asked the cashier. I asked the cashier that, hi, I need to buy a ticket for one person. Then, you accept cash? And they said they don't accept cash. So for me, I need to do a strategy of uh, approaching some strangers. And for me, it's like I have a stranger fear, and I have a crowd fear as well. And I really don't like. I have a fear of uh I have a fear of conversation. I cannot really converse to people, to someone. It's because of my English. And that time, I really need, because I'm there already, so I don't need to back out. I really want to watch a concert. So I approach three strangers. First attempt failed, second attempt failed, three attempt, someone accepted. And I said that, then after that, someone accepted. I bought him a ticket. So he watched with me, even though I'm so hungry that time and thirsty. But I finished the whole concert without drinking water, without eating, you know. And I cried. Because I'm stressed. I'm stressed the time. I'm tired. I'm stressed. And that one is a reward for myself that I will watch a concert. And this my intuition thing that I need to do something, need to happen to that concert, but I really don't know what I need to do. Is because no one really telling me what do I need to do. But I remember on this phone that Katy Perry said that, who's the first timer here? Who's the first timer? I said, me, like that. So I'm the first timer, and there's a two music that I need to press. The Thinking of Me. Thinking of me or thinking of you, something like that. And uh, I really forgot the other one, the other song. And I still have the ticket with me because as a souvenir, as a souvenir. And then after that, guys, when the concert almost finished, I go down in the near to the stage, and I remove my jacket and I dance because I really have a fear of crowd. I really have a fear of crowd. So I dance, dance, dance. And after that, I go home. I walk to go home, and people gossiping gossiping at my back, like blah, 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 blah. I don't know what they are talking, like why these people get angry with me, what do I do, what did I do, what do I do, what did I do, why they get angry, like what. It's like, for me, that's the best that's the best concert that I watch. Because of course this it's my first concert internationally, international celebrity that I watch, the singer that I watch. So it's a reward for myself. Then I really thought that there's a butterfly there, like take me to Nirvana, like that. And no one really tell me about that concert. It's like, for me, I just want to have a reward for myself to watch that concert. And yeah. And finally I make it. I watched the concert, but something something off. Like, what happened? Why people get angry with me? Like, oh. Then after, when I come back to my apartment, I listen to music again. It's because I love music. I really love music. And again, it's like something going on again. Something really wrong again. There's a green thing because I love red. Then the green thing again, like, oh, what is this? Why is not end? Why is not yet finished? When I have my roommate with me that time, auntie. Then suddenly auntie go home to Sydney, so I live alone. And that battle is really hard for me. Then after, when I get alone, I go back to Criterion Hotel. Then after that, I lost a lot. I really lost a lot. I lost my energy. I don't earn some money. I even asked a friend here in Dubai to borrow a money to book me a ticket going to the Philippines. I asked for 50,000 peso so that they can book me a ticket going back to the Philippines, like very fast. When I talked to my friend in the Philippines, I said, please book me a ticket today so that I can fly at the evening. So I go back to the Philippines, from Perth to Sydney, Sydney to Philippines. Then when I go to the Philippines, it's it's chaotic again. Like, what happened? What's really going on? What's really wrong? And I stayed in the Philippines for 1 week. I stayed in the Philippines for 1 week. I don't know, guys, if you're really connecting with me. This one is based on my experience. It's because I need to, so that you can follow where I came from, where this kind of thing happened. So I need to do so that I can elaborate. So when I go back to the Philippines, so something really wrong again, very chaotic. It's like there's a big airplane that following me everywhere I go, and there's a lot of lights again, blue, red, green, you know. Yeah, it's, or maybe because of this one guy. Before that happened, that I before we separate ways, I give him a Billie Eilish jacket, the blue color, and a rosary also. I give him, and we really we he always ordered Arabic food. I don't know if he's Arabic or something. I really don't know. You know, yeah. Before we separate ways, before it, you know, and I paused. It's because it's a lot of story, guys, Tiger people, you know. So when I go back to Philippines, so I said, oh my God, my stress is killing me so much. Like I'm too stressed, you know, very stressed. You know that I fly from Philippines to Hong Kong so that I can treat myself to go to the Disneyland. And I just go to Hong Kong just to cry, just to cry. It's like when I'm there in the top of my room and I cry there is because I have the silent battle with me, that someone or a person put me in the situation that I really don't like it, you know, like why me? I really don't like it. Why me? Right? Like you will question to yourself that before it's happened to you, you know, sometimes if you have a problem or facing things, you know to yourself that you're not you know to yourself that you're a responsible person. You know to yourself that you're doing good. You know to yourself that you're doing right. Then something flip, just what like that, you know, something upside down happen, and it's not valid. Your reason is not valid. It's because you do the bad thing, bad habits. And I said, no way. No way, no fucking way. Sorry for my words. No way. Because I can really feel what is wrong and what is right. I really can say what is wrong and what is right. Before this happened, before things happen to me or something, before things happen on me, I can still give the life of my family. I bought a house, I bought a land. I can pay my rent every day without late payments. I can I can I can pay my bills. But when that happened, when things happen really wrong, I do the late payment. I cannot pay my rent. I cannot really pay my rent. I cannot I cannot even send money to my family. It's like people put me in this situation, or someone put me in the situation that I really don't like it. and without my approval, you know. It's just vice versa. Maybe I did something wrong, but I don't know what kind of wrong did I did. If someone will ask me what kind of, if someone will ask me if this is a true or whatsoever, if I did something wrong, I will answer with all my heart. Truth, but nothing but the truth. I will answer them. What's really what they want me to do. This is not yet enough. This is not yet finished. Until when, you know? So yeah, when I come back to Dubai from Macau, Hong Kong, I go there and then I didn't even go to some casino, guys, huh? Maybe they will tell that I do gambling or whatsoever. I don't do it. I don't really know how to do it. So I come back to Dubai that time. So I'm earning again. I am working again. But I know to myself that something really wrong again if I will do, like, you know, that's the intuit that we the situation is like I cannot be normal again. I cannot do what others can do. It's like, why why they just using my phone? Why are they just using me? Oh, why? That's my question. There's a people who live behind closed doors. There's a people behind all of this, people who live behind closed doors and they cannot even approach me or face me. Why? Why they just use my phone? Why they just use me? So we are both all users, you know? It's like, why me? That's the question. Why you're targeting my phone? Why you're targeting me? I don't understand. Why me? That's it. I really don't understand. I'm not I'm not a kindergarten. I'm not a stupid kid that I cannot understand. If you will explain it to me, for sure I can understand. It's because I'm a grow how old I am so that I cannot understand, right? Like why they targeting me? Why they're targeting my phone? Why they're targeting people around me? Why they're using my phone? Why they using me? Because of their fantasy, because of their sexual fantasy that they wanted. That's why they're targeting me. It's because I'm an empath. I'm easy to manipulate. To, it's easy to gaslighting. There's a lot of fake rumors about me though. It's a lot of fake rumors. And even though I have a card here for my Thailand checkup, you know, I have here, it's a lot of rumors. Like they said that I am sick, I am I am a vampire, I am a cannibal or whatsoever. I'm not beautiful. I know that I'm not beautiful, but I'm not stupid. You know, although I am not a a degree holder, but I'm not stupid. You know, what I have now, what I give to my family, it's my own earnings. It's my own sweat. You know, at least I never thief. I never scam people, you know. If I do, please tell me, where do I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? That's it. Like at least tell me, where did I go wrong? Why they're targeting me? Why they're targeting my phone? I don't know why. Why it's not yet finished? You know, why they cannot face me? Why they cannot talk to me personally? Why they cannot really have a meeting on me? Why they cannot really face me really? Why they cannot approach me? Why they cannot meet me up? Why they cannot, you know? Why? That's it. They thought that it's a drama thing. They thought that it's a scripted thing. No, it's not scripted, and it's not a drama as well. There's no director here. There's no author here. It's because I don't see any author at all. I don't see any writers at all. I don't see anyone at all. I see noises. I don't see any efforts. No one approached me. No one talked to me. I don't sign any paper. I don't sign any contract. I don't. That's the period. I don't. If they will tell the rumors, blah, 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 I don't know anything. You know? For sure, they have a lot of money. Yes. If you're happy with that, go with it. Mga matay raman gyapon tang tanan. We will all die.